Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Greetings from Brillica Services. Today I will tell you how to make Google Drive logo in Illustrator with some easy steps. So without wasting time, let's start. Firstly, we need one triangle. So I'm using shape tool and click on polygon. Now just only one click on artboard. I'm choosing 300 pixel radius and three sides for triangle. Then click OK. I, I don't need color in it right now. So I'm just changing it to black and convert into strokes. Now I'm just press Alt and drag my mouse. Now just click on our triangle, click on vertical reflection. Now drag again with a click press. And drag it to bottom. Our structure is ready now. Now I'm using line tool to connect it the points. Always focus. It will be at point to point. Now just using shape builder tool. Firstly select your all artwork. I'll just go to shape builder tool and click one by one of all distribution parts. Now it's time to pick the color. I already extracted the colors of Google Drive logo. Just press one by one. Now it's done. So that's it for the video. I will meet in next video with new challenges.